Alright, so I have to be a little more gentle with the fourth, because yesterday I kind of made a mess when I ripped it. Yeah, you need two hands to get to that. So yeah, there's the fourth. Let's see what it is. Oh. St. Nick's Blizzard Brew. It's a ruby ale. Huh. That should be good, I think. Now for my fourth beer of Advent, I have St. Nick's Blizzard Brew Ruby Ale. It's another darker one. Not as dark as yesterday's sticky toffee pudding, but we'll give it a go. Yeah, no, that's nice. Definitely not as much flavor as the sticky toffee, but yeah, that's a good ruby ale if you ask me.